Hey travelers, today we are popping down to the Riu Palace Aruba, and we're going to do a room tour and do a bit of a discussion about Aruba, things you can see and do there, and why I absolutely love this island. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's check it out. Hello everyone, I'm gonna turn this camera around. Hello, hi. Hey, it's Christine. I'm here at the Riu Palace Aruba, and I thought I would do a room tour and tell you what I've seen of the resort. Been here for many hours so far because our flight got changed from a 12:30 departure to a 7:30 a.m. departure. So doing the usual wait for the room to be ready. Anyways, it's ready now, so I'll flip the camera around, take you on a little tour. Okay, so I believe this would be Junior Suite Ocean Front, not our typical definition of ocean front, because it's in the main building of the if it's a U-shaped building, it's in this section of the U. Okay, so king size bed, which is obviously two singles strapped together. You've got the closet here, which has, wow, just a ton of hangers. And you can see the safe down there. Private bathroom, which I love. And shower with rainfall shower head. Soap dispenser, if you're telling people to come here. Obviously tell them to pack their own shampoo, especially for women. Dual vanity, hairdryer, toilet. Room service is included. Wi-Fi is included throughout the resort. And as we know, minibars stop daily. So we've got some sodas there and like mini cans, like they're like Mickey cans of Blashy beer. I'm thinking the $5 trick would work here. Leave $5 in the minibar with a message saying, please have more of XYZ. Liquor dispenser still happening here. I've got a flat screen TV, have not checked out the channels. You've got a full-size mirror there. Ceiling fan, and we do have air conditioning. You do need to have your key in the thingamajiggy in order to have power in the room. So super fun. I did not see a charger on this side, so that could be slightly problematic, but there is definitely one here. And this definitely looks like a, yep, it's a pull-out sofa, so could comfortably fit 4. And while we're at it, let's just have a quick look at the room service menu, if we can find it quickly. Oh, no reservations anymore for a la carte dining, which is nice. Just show up whenever you want. Okay, and no room service menu. So more updates on that later. And this is the balcony. We are actually changing to the Riu Palace Antilles tomorrow, so I'll try to do another video from there. And we're on the 4th floor, room 411 to be exact. As you can see on both sides of the resort, well, no, on this side of the resort you've got, I'm guessing those would be Super Saver rooms because they're a princess balcony, and then of course on this side you've got a small balcony, but at least you can sit out on it. And pool area. Drinks so far I've seen very limited premium brand alcohol. Well, no, just known brand alcohol. I'm gonna flip the phone around. So for the most part it's local brand. You can see the water out there is amazing. So the coolest thing about Aruba is there's all these piers that go out. So for sunset, it's a great place to go out buy a couple of drinks, watch the sunset, that kind of thing. Also, Aruba, you can rent a car. It's very inexpensive. You can drive around the island for in one whole day. The entire island. It's very, very small. And you can see all the sights. I would recommend, if you tell your people to first do a tour, or see if there's some kind of driving app that they can download so they know what they're looking at, because we've done so many times where we rent a car and it's like, you're driving around and you don't know what that lump of concrete is, and it turns out it's some like massive, interesting, historic architectural thing. Probably said more interestingly than that. Come on then. There we go. Okay, so you can see here, so we're at basically the beginning of the hotel strip. We've got the Riu Resort there. There's us. There's the Hilton beside us. The not Occidental anymore, Barcelona. And then keeps going down, right down to the Marriott and the new Riu Ritz-Carlton. There's also a Hyatt along the way. And I mean, obviously you guys know my proclivity towards Hyatts, but even years ago, before I was even with Escapes and before Hyatt was even really an all-inclusive thing or a thing, I gotta say the Hyatt's got a sexy resort with a gorgeous pool. So yeah, there you go. There's the resort. Got some cool little water things going on out there, some kind of water slide thing. You see that? Where is it? There it is. Paddleboarding, catamaran cruises, that kind of thing. Otherwise, I'm just gonna say, it's like 32 degrees, it's really, really hot. But the beer is free, the wine is good, and feeling pretty happy. So, saying goodbye from one happy island, Aruba. Bye for now. Bye. So I hope you enjoyed that video, just sharing a little bit of information about the fabulous things that you can see and do in Aruba, and about the Riu Palace Aruba. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like to see more videos about the various Riu properties or more information about the Riu Palace Aruba, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.